Playdough. No eating.
No eating. Good
Boy.
boy. Yusuf, hop, hop. Hop little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, 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 and...
So yay.
Are very special.
My name is Yusuf. I like color blue. I like my face.
Special
I like a mommy too. Thank you. I love you all. Make Playdough. Playdough.
What color Play-Dohs have you got?
Pink
Pink and
blue
blue and
yellow.
Awesome.
Let's go. Let's go. It's on the next.
See up in the sky.
one.
So beautiful.
It's blue bunny.
Oh, it's time to make a blue bunny.
Yeah.
Okay.
Say how to open. Open. Oi. Okay.
Can I see, Yusuf? Well, what color is
A
this?
blue. First circle.
Small circle.
No eating.
No eating. Good job, Yusuf. Yusuf, what are you doing?
It's boy. It's outside boy.
Yeah?
Outside.
Yeah, it's like a ball. Oh, you want to throw the ball up in the sky? Oh no, Yusuf has to get that now. Come on, Yusuf.
Oh no. The outside boy outside.
No, you can't throw the ball up in the sky.
Here.
Yes.
This is the chest.
Yes, you press now. Good boy.
Man, do it. And put it. Then put
Now you press again. Yusuf, what are you doing?
Oh, it's not going next.
Oh no, it's a yucky one. Marco. Mark means break. You gonna do it nicely this time? Okay. Yusuf, what are you doing?
I'm trying to go.
Slowly take it off. Did you make it?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, it's
Yay!
Yay!
Look at that! Yusuf made a bunny. How many bunnies can you see?
2.
Can you count?
1, 2.
Good job. Okay, Yusuf. What song can you sing with a bunny?
Oh.
Okay, you want to show us? You want to go in the grass and show us?
I'll go this one.
Yeah, just here. Hop little bunny, hop hop hop. Hop little bunny, hop hop hop. Hop little bunny, hop hop hop. Hop 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 and your turn. Go.
Hey, baby. What today?
What are we gonna make?
The horse.
We're gonna make a horse today?
Yeah.
Okay.
They open it.
Yeah, sure.
Open that. Open though.
First, take out a small Play-Doh.
Is it nice?
This is too small. Can you take out some more?
Let's put it upside.
No, you can't throw up the
Down?
sky. No, you can't throw down either.
It's a hole.
Yes, you're gonna hold.
What?
Yeah, you can put it on the mat. Yeah, that's fine. And what are you gonna do next?
It's a hole.
Oh, press, press, press. Yes, good job.
Oh, sorry. Wow, look at that, Mommy. Look at that.
What is it?
It's ours. It's look.
Wow!
Do you see it?
Good job. Well done.
Mama's happy.
Yes, I'm happy. Are you gonna put the Play-Doh in your mouth again?
Yes.
Oh
Play-Doh in
no!
your mouth again?
No.
No. You don't eat the Play-Doh, okay?
Wow. So
Wow! Say. What do you want?
It's a very
You ready? And
this.
engraves.
Wow.
What is this?
Strawberry. Hey, you're hungry? You're hungry? Hello. It's a fairy. You're hungry. It's coming. It's coming. You're hungry?
Yes.
Strawberry?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you, Yusuf. Yusuf, thank you.
You're welcome.
A few moments later.
Aksa Lolo. Aksa sleeping. Okay.
Are you upset?
Sorry?
Are you upset?
Yeah, what?
Do that, Mommy. Upset.
Good night.
A few moments later.
Only got a little bit bad. But it's a bit bigger. Bye.
Where are you going?
I'll go at the end bus.
Okay, bye-bye.
Or at the bus. Let's go. Oh, wow! This one bus. Let's go. This one bus.
A few moments later.
What do you want to do here?
Shut down.